Hello, I'm Himanshani from IIPS DAVV University Indore, and here I'm presenting NAD Internal 1 solutions. The question 1 is, develop an algorithm for solving following system of equations to find out x and y for the given values of a, b, c, p, q, r. Assume that a, b, c, p, q, r are non-zeros. Here our two equations are ax plus by is equals to c and px plus qy is equals to r. So our solution here is, from equation 1 we have the value of x which is c minus by divided by a. Now after substituting the value of x in equation 2 here, we get p into c minus by divided by a plus qy is equals to r. Here on simplifying this equation, q minus pb divided by a into y is equals to r minus pc divided by a. Let q minus pb by a be v and r minus pc by a be u. Here u and v are the constants. Now the value of y can be obtained by dividing u by v from the previous equation. Now the algorithm for this method is, first we read all the coefficients which are a, b, c and p, q, r, and then find the values of v and u by using the formula q minus pb by a, and u can be calculated by using r minus pc by a. Now we check for the condition. If v is equals to 0, then we write no solution. Like here, if v is equals to 0, then y will become infinite, which is not defined. So here we write no solution. Else, we write the value of u by v into y, and then we put the value of c minus by whole divided by a into x. Then we write the value of x and y. Then here we end our condition, and then we stop our algorithm. Now the second part of the question is, dry run your algorithm for the equations of above problem with following values of a, b, c, p, q, r. These are the following values which are given to us, where a equals to 2.5000, b equals to 5.2000, c equals to 6.2000, p equals to 1.2510, q equals to 2.6050, and r equals to 3.1520. And also we need to answer correct up to 4 decimal places and illustrate situation of ill-conditioned equations with change in coefficient q equals to 2.6060, and why this situation arises. Now solution for this problem is, first we will calculate v and u according to our algorithm. This by putting the values of a, b, c and p, q, r here we get the values of v and u. Now putting the values of u and v in y equals to u divided by v, we get the value of y is equals to 1.666 e1, and thus here e is the exponential in the powers of 10, and thus x is equals to c minus by whole divided by a, and from this we get the value of x which is equals to minus 3.217 e1. Now here, when we change the value of q equals to 2.6050 to q equals to 2.6060, like we are changing the value of q by 0.001, we get the value of x minus 2.352 e1 and the value of y to be y equals to 1.250 e1. So a slight change in one of the coefficients of the equation will cause a drastic change in the value of x and y. Here, that is, a change in the coefficient less than 1 has caused 30% change in x and y. The reason for this large sensitivity is due to the fact that the straight lines representing the two equations, which are ax plus by is equals to c and px plus qy is equals to r, are almost parallel, and slightly one change in the slope of the equations will lead to their change in the point of intersection, which is our solution of equation. Such a problem is known as ill-conditioned. That's all. Thank you.